Hello guys, welcome to Hobbies. Okay, so earlier today, Riley was laughing at my custom combo. So I'm using Cho-Z Valkyrie. What's this? Ratchet and Spiral Dash. So here is my combo. This one is from Cho-Z Valkyrie, this one is from Wizard Fafnir, and this one is from Zway Longinus. And Riley was saying that this is a very weak combo. And by the way, here is his combo. Cho-Z, Achilles, 00 and Dimension Dash. And I'm telling him that my combo is stronger. So let's see who's gonna win this battle, Riley. So this is race to 5 or 10?
Or
5.
Or 10,000
Okay,
million.
so race to 5 points.
Or raise to 5 million points.
No, just race to 5. So 1 point for survivor and ring out finish. 2 points for burst, and I'll surely burst your combo, Kuya Riley.
And I'm going to bust their combo.
No, you can't because I'm using spiral dash. Ready? 3,
2,
1.
See, I told you.
I was just giving you a chance. So,
I activate the Cho-Z Blade.
yeah, me too. So that's 2 points for Kuya Riley. It's time to be serious. Ready?
I wanna watch it's time to play.
Yes. Ready.
Then let's start the battle. 3,
2, 1.
Now it appears Achilles' servo blades are being pushed back in! This battle is going back and forth like a seesaw!
It's time for counter attack.
Time for time.
Vengeance for Valkyrie.
Shield.
There you go. I will destroy your
It's feeling like
Beyblade.
a hurricane.
Ooh, there you go.
How many hits do we have?
Survivor finish.
Is
So
that bad?
it's 2.
I activated it, Dad.
Yeah, okay. Just return it to normal.
How did you activate that too?
Just launch with your full power and it will activate like this. 3,
3,
2, 1.
Like that? You activated!
Yeah, but I was.
And I activated too.
So it's 3-1. No, I can't afford to lose. Let's go. Time to get my inner energy. Are you ready?
Yep. This one is a competitive Beyblade.
No, that's weak. Mine is the strongest.
3,
Combo. 3, 2, 1.
There
you go. It's time to destroy you. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, yes. The score is burst plus 3. 3-1. No, it's 3-2. 3-2. And this time I'll burst you.
Achilles, let's go! Here goes! Valtrick! Rev! Let it rev!
3, 2, 1. Oh no.
Deactivated!
Oh no.
Deactivated!
Yeah, I know, but activate what? But I still lost and it's a burst.
Amazing,
Oh,
right?
no.
But the
Okay, so Riley is correct when he says that this is a weak combo.
I told you.
But I will not give in. I will not give up. Anyway, that's all for our video today. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.